Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at Fidelity Bloom and I'm going to be giving my honest review so that you can figure out whether this app is right for you. So to start with, what is Fidelity Bloom? It's a free financial app designed to help you improve your saving and spending habits. Here are some of the key features. There's mindful spending and saving. To start with, this app helps you build mindful spending and saving habits. It also provides 2 Fidelity accounts, one to help build savings and one to track everyday spending. They also provide a debit card so you can access your spending money along with inbuilt cash rewards. There's also a reward for new customers because customers are rewarded with $100 after depositing $50 or more. Research has also shown there's also a potential to earn yield. Fidelity Bloom holds your uninvested cash in a money market mutual fund. Uninvested dollars in both your save and spend account have the potential to earn yield, which is a cash payout of interest earned that is added to your account on a monthly basis. And finally, there's also rewards, challenges and automation. Rewards are directly deposited into your Fidelity Bloom save account. You can get a 10% annual saving match for Fidelity on up to $300 of deposit to your save account. And you also get a 10% reward for every purchase with your Fidelity Bloom debit card. So how about some of the disadvantages that come with this app? To start with, there's no monetary rewards. The app does not offer monetary rewards for completing boot camps or challenges. It also lacks sophisticated investment tools. And this refers to tools that are typically found in other investing apps. There's also an automatic enrollment in Roundup feature. And this could potentially lead you to spending more than you intended. There's also limited earnings from the annual savings match program, because you can only earn a maximum of $30. There's also the potential to lose money. You could lose money by investing in a money market fund. Although the fund seeks to preserve the value of your investment at $1 per share, it cannot guarantee it will do so. And finally, some users have found the app to be complicated and lacking in basic functionality. For example, the separate save and spending accounts can be confusing and not user-friendly. Additionally, some users find the challenges to be oversimplistic and not very informative. So what about the fees on the app? The Fidelity Bloom app is actually free to use. It does not charge any subscription fees. Both the Fidelity Bloom Spend and Fidelity Bloom Save account can be opened in the Fidelity Bloom app, which is free to download. However, please note that while the app itself does not charge fees, you may still incur fees from other sources such as ATM fees or fees associated with the money market mutual fund where your uninvested cash is held. So is it right for you? The Fidelity Bloom app is a unique financial tool that offers a range of features designed to help you improve your saving and spending habits. It provides separate accounts for saving and spending, offers the potential to earn yield and uninvested cash, and motivates users with rewards and challenges. However, it's important to consider the app's limitations. Some users find the app to be overly complicated and lacking in basic functionality. Also, while the app itself does not charge fees, you may still incur fees from other sources. In conclusion, whether or not the Fidelity Bloom app is right for you depends on your individual financial goals, habits and preferences. If you're looking for a tool that encourages mindful spending and saving, offers potential for earning yield, and provides motivation for completing rewards and challenges, then this app could be a good fit. However, if you prefer a simpler interface or a traditional checkings account, then you might want to consider other options. As always, it's a good idea to do thorough research and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any major financial decisions. So this has been my honest review for Fidelity Bloom. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand exactly what it does, and you should be able to make an informed decision about whether it's right for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.